Yeah, so if you're just looking for a sander that you're going to use for really light work around the house, this might do the trick for you, but it's just designed not to last very long. Um, they put these little bolts through here and this cover that makes it look like you can get in there and change your brushes. It's a brush motor. No, it's just on there as a little bit of covering. It makes it look like you can, but it's solid plastic underneath. So if you do want to change your brushes, you have to literally take the entire thing apart. Like, you can't just slide out the motor and bearing and brush and take care of it. No, you have to split the whole thing apart to get to the brushes and replace them. So I've done that a couple times. It's held up, but this time it's down for the count because the least user serviceable part seems designed to wear out. So there's a bearing in here, and the bearing is just blown out. So if you've got one of these and you want to keep it alive for a while, try to take good care of this bearing. Get some grease in there, I don't know. But interference fit on this gear. I could torch it, try to get this off, get to that bearing, replace it, but like, you win, Black & Decker. I'm gonna buy a new one, but it's not gonna be yours. There is a Craftsman that looks exactly like this, so I don't know if I trust that to have any of these problems fixed. Yeah. Rest in peace.